Architecture. Akbar built a new capital city at Fatehpur Sikri near Agra. He selected the site as Sufi saint Salim Chishti lived there, and Akbar had high respect for him. The city is surrounded by a wall on 3 sides and by an artificial lake on the 4th side. The material used is red sandstone with insertion of white marble. Many of the buildings have mixture of 2 styles of architecture, that is the Indian and the Persian. Fatehpur Sikri was the new capital of Akbar. The following are worth mentioning buildings at Fatehpur Sikri: the Diwan-e-Khas and the Diwan-e-Am, the Panch Mahal, Jodhabai's Palace, the Jama Masjid, Buland Darwaza, the tomb of Sheikh Salim. The Buland Darwaza was added to commemorate Akbar's victory over Gujarat. It is the highest gateway of India and one of the biggest in the world. People from all over the world visit the tomb, which has a lot of marble lattice. Another example of architecture of this time is Humayun's tomb, which has been built at New Delhi.